You have a campaign that has been running well for a while, say a week or two, and out of sudden it stops working. So what do you do? Here's the thing. We need to define what do you mean by stop working. So in my opinion, stop working means, say for example, you have been getting cost per result at $10, for example, and out of sudden it becomes 50. That makes sense. That's stop working. Or you've been getting regularly about like 5 sales per week or 10 sales per week, and out of sudden it become 1 per week. That's something what we call Meta Ads stop working. So what do you do? Now, let me give you a few steps over here. First thing first, do not turn it off. But well, if you really feel, like broken and say that, no, I don't want to do this anymore. Yes, you may turn it off, but let's look at a few metrics. First, look at the CPM. Now, usually CPM is the first culprit that will cause your cost per result to come high. What is CPM? CPM is cost per mail, okay. Or I would rather call it cost per 1,000 impressions. When you're running ads on Meta charge you for every 1,000 times they show your ad to your audience. All right, so it's a block. And this block fluctuates from time to time. When you are in a very competitive period, say like, I don't know, Chinese New Year, Black Friday, Christmas season, where a lot of advertisers are in the market, it pushes the CPM to come high. I mean, I've seen radical push like 300%. Say just for example, if you have been enjoying CPM at $10, for example, which means you pay $10 to reach your audience 1,000 times, and out of sudden it become $30. What does that mean? It means your ad cost has gone up by 300%. Say for example, if you have been spending $10, all right, you used to be able to reach 1,000 times, your audience 1,000 times. Now you can only reach your audience about 300 times. Of course, you will see everything crumble because on the get-go, on the front end, you reach way lesser people already. So that's the main culprit. So usually this is the first thing we check. So if the CPM is the problem, then I will always recommend that maybe we should, either you can pause it for now and then you restart it back within a week. We don't want to reset the learning. Otherwise, if you pause your campaign for longer than a week, you will reset the learning. But yeah, we pause it for a while, for a few days, and then we let it come back. Or if you are okay with the budget that you are not bleeding it, and you can just keep going, because usually CPM high subsides within a few days. So eventually you'll go back to normal. Your results comes back gradually, and everything stabilized for you. So that's the first thing. And second thing is we look at the CTR. Now CTR is click-through rate, and I'm talking about click-through rate, link click-through rate. Basically, this is the percentage of people who click on your ad when they see your ad. Our benchmark is 1%. So if you have been enjoying 1%, out of sudden it drops to 0.5% or 0.3%, that means your audience stopped responding. There are many reasons, okay? But I usually won't blame your ad first because remember it worked for a few weeks, and that means the ad works. It's been getting you results, getting you the clicks and all that. It's okay. But what could happen here is that if you have a sudden CTR drop, that could mean within that few days that you were, not seeing very good result. It could be a time where people got distracted. A few reasons like election, holidays, all right, war. I mean, unfortunate, but yeah, those are certain things that will affect the attention of the people. And that could be the reason why the CTR is affected. So if your CTR is the main reason, then I would always say that let's observe. Let's see whether this is gonna prolong or it's gonna be a very short period of time. Then you make decision accordingly. Very similar to CPM, but we need to be able to make sure that we are not overreacting. The idea of optimizing and analyzing, like what I did, I just gave you a few key metrics, but there are a lot more metrics basically. I mean, the idea here is that my advocation is whether we have a good campaign or a bad campaign, we need to know why. See, when we have a good campaign, we need to know why, because we'll be able to scale confidently. If we know that it's the CTR that is performing beautifully, then we could just keep going. And at the same time, we know that this ad works, and we want to, create more ads that looks like it so that we are able to scale the business confidently, right? Now, on the other hand, if we have a campaign that stopped working, like what we say, we need to learn why. Otherwise, what we do usually is we just restart the campaign, recreate the ad because we believe it's the problem, and then we go back to the drawing board. We start creating the campaign from scratch. We select similar audiences if we don't Basically, we're just doing everything all over again without knowing what really happened to the campaign that so-called stopped working. So that's my methodology of running ad. And I believe every single meta advertisers, if you want to be able to be in control, you want to be able to feel confident in scaling, on growing your business with meta advertising, you need to learn analytics. So basically, if you want to learn this thing, there are two ways to work together, right? The first thing is you can just scan this QR code and book at one off 30 minutes, which is good enough. You run ads, within 30 minutes, we're going to come in, we're going to look at what's happening in your campaign, whether you have a good one or bad one. Let's find out why. Immediately, we build a plan. So yeah, that's the very simple and fast forward, and straightforward way to do this.